Boeing is developing a hypersonic military aircraft that could circle the globe in 3 hours to strike targets at 5 times the speed of sound. The secretive concept vehicle, which has been billed as a potential successor to the legendary Blackbird SR-71 spy plane, is thought to be codenamed Valkyrie II. Boeing first unveiled a concept model for the high-speed strike and reconnaissance vehicle last month, but a senior researcher at the company has now revealed new details. Kevin Bocut, Senior Technical Fellow of Hypersonics at Boeing Research and Technology, claimed the uncrewed aircraft, nicknamed by aviation fans as the son of Blackbird, will travel more than twice the speed of a bullet. In a Facebook Live video, Mr. Bocut said, "It's 2.5 times the speed of a speeding bullet." It's more than twice as fast as the Concorde. So basically you can get anywhere in the world in 1 hour across the Atlantic, 2 hours across the Pacific, pretty much anywhere between 2 points in 1 to 3 hours. A concept model for the military craft was first unveiled by Boeing at the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics iTech Forum in Orlando, Florida in January. Although the company has not yet greenlit the project, it said at the conference that a proof-of-concept vehicle could be built in the next 10 to 20 years. In Friday's video, Mr. Bocut, who is based at Boeing's Research Center in Long Beach, California, said, "This is one of several concepts and technologies we're studying for a hypersonic aircraft." This particular concept is for a military application that would be targeted for an intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, or ISR, and strike capabilities. By definition, hypersonic vehicles can travel 5 times the speed of sound, and Boeing's craft could help U.S. officials ensure their nuclear weapons can breach almost any missile defense system. Hypersonic vehicles would travel so rapidly and unpredictably they could provide an almost immediate threat to nations across the globe. The craft would travel at such speeds that the gap between identifying a threat and launching an attack on it would drop from hours to minutes, even at long distances. The spy plane was the world's fastest and highest-flying operational manned aircraft during its operational run from 1966 to 1998, and in 1976 set an absolute speed record of 2,193.2 miles per hour, 3,529 km/h, a record it still holds today. If developed by Boeing, the Valkyrie II will smash this record, with a hypersonic craft capable of reaching Mach 5 or higher. First, it plans to begin test flights with an F-16 single-engine design, and then test flights with a twin-engine, full-scale operational vehicle that measures 107 feet long, 33 meters. Speaking to Aviation Week last month, Mr. Bocut said, "It's a really hard problem to develop an aircraft that takes off and accelerates through Mach 1 all the way to Mach 5 and beyond." The specific impulse of an air-breathing engine goes down with increasing velocity, so you have to make the engine bigger to get to Mach 5. The SR-72 hypersonic plane will be a strike and reconnaissance aircraft that tops Mach 6, and the firm has been working on the project since the early 2000s. Although I can't go into specifics, let us just say the Skunk Works team in Palmdale, California, is doubling down on our commitment to speed. Orlando Carvalho, Executive Vice President of Aeronautics at Lockheed Martin, told the SAE International Aerotech Congress and Exhibition last year. Simply put, I believe the United States is on the verge of a hypersonics revolution.